What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So Jasmy Coin has been making moves lately and found a way to get back to a level of 2 cents. And I'm excited about it, right? Obviously, I want to see a lot more, and a lot of other people are anxious to see this get to a level of 3 cents and 4 cents and 5 cents and 10 cents, obviously up to a level of $1, if not further than that. Some people obviously are saying, as predictions are out there, that it's going to get to $17 or $20, right? I'm not pushing for that. I'm looking for a lot lower levels. I know that there are people that are holding less. There are people that bought at some of these levels, so maybe they couldn't afford to get to put in $20,000 or $10,000. But before, you could have put in maybe $4,000 or $3,000 and got the million that you wanted. So then now it'll be worth 20,000, right? Or at a level of $1, it'll be worth $1,000,000. But people have been asking me, when am I going to decide to sell Jasmy Coin? Now I have many other exit plans as I got up to a value of 1 million or a level of 1 million Jasmy Coin. But also things have changed kind of a bit when a while ago when I decided to invest maybe a little bit more into Margex, and I just decided to take a little bit of a chance and put some over there and make some money out of it, and it's been working pretty well. But that's also included in my exit plan strategy because now it gives me a little bit of room to say, okay, I can take my initial investment, but it doesn't have to be from my initial investment. Does that make sense? Maybe it doesn't, but we'll explain in this video. Guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about Margex if you guys want to check that out and start trading up to 100x leverage, up to 50x leverage on Jasmy Coin. I recommend like 5 or 10x leverage, but if you find the right opportunity, absolutely take on that 50x leverage. But that's up to you whether you should take that risk or not. But feel free to check out those links down below. If we look at where Jasmy Coin is right now, it's standing at a value of 2 cents. Again, my value of my crypto is $20,560.14. We're seeing it above the $1 billion market cap level, which is great to see. Volume is about $61 million. It's not really a crazy amount, that 6% volume to market cap ratio. But again, like I said, maybe days ago, that this volume to market cap ratio, it's still a lot of money that goes through it, but it's just depending on exactly what the market cap is. It's always hovered around this level, 60 or 30 to 60, $million per day. And you're looking at a 10 to 30% volume to market cap ratio when it was at a lower level. But now that the market cap's a lot higher, it's a different story. You're still seeing consistent investments. It's just, the market cap's higher. Now, again, this is leveled out and we're seeing it at the level of 2 cents. Hasn't really broken below the value of 2 cents within this last day. You could see here that this is the only time period where it did break below it, but then did bounce back up. And you see it at a value of almost 2.1 cents. And it's kind of consolidated here for a number of hours. So with that being said, and how much I do have and where this is, when do I decide on selling Jasmy Coin, selling some of my 20,000 or my 1 million Jasmy Coin? Is it at a value of 3 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, or whatever? Honestly, it's become a little bit more complex than just what I have in my 1 million. Because again, I decided to invest money, a little bit of money, over in Margex at a 50x leverage, which ended up giving me already a profit of $250. And right now, and that's realized profit. And my unrealized profit for this Jasmy Coin position, which is right here, is $557 or 1,734%. Now, the total amount that I invested is $4,060, right? $60 over here in Margex, which turned into a massive amount. And I'm excited about that compared to the $60 that I put in there, right? Or it might even been a little bit less, actually. But let's just say it's $4,060. I ended up taking my initial investment that I put in here, so 60 plus the extra 190 because I took $250 worth of profit. And now I still have $556 that's sitting in there. Now, the reason why this has become complicated and when I'm going to sell is because I only have a $4,000 initial investment, and that's kind of what I want to take. I want to protect that initial investment. So while I'm protecting that initial investment, I now can increase my price for where I want to start over here with this million by taking profit over here in MargX. I was able to trade at a 50x leverage, finding a great price at 1.5 cents, and now it's sitting at 2 cents, and I'm up 1,700%. Now, if this decides to go, or we find a way to get this to a value of zero point zero 0.05 cents, where we would look at 11,000%. And if let's just say we're rounding up and going that this is at 2,000% gain where we stand at, if we see the 2,000% gain multiplied by 5, we're looking at a $2,500 amount. Now, at that point, I can't still take my initial investment, but I can take decent profit. And as time goes on, if I'm taking profit from here and elsewhere, that may change exactly what my exit plan is over here. Instead of taking some at 5 cents, I'm now taking some at a level of 10 cents. And then if we still have some over here, that also adds to it. So now the value is 10 cents, and we're looking at 27,000%, which we're looking at multiple thousands of dollars that's standing there. And we could take my initial investment plus a little bit of profit in what I have in MargX. That's only if I let that stand that long. Now, again, this is only 10 cents. So what do I end up doing? I may end up only taking a portion of that, leaving the 1 million still left over there. So it makes it super complicated because you're making so much money, you're making money hand over fist over here. But then, when it comes to the amount that you have total, what am I going to do with this? Well, again, it all depends on what I want to get. Now, if this gets to a value of 10 cents, I have $100,000. If I already have my initial investment and I see the potential to grow a lot more, or I see the potential to grow a lot more, a lot faster, then yes, if we hit a high point and we see a resistance, then obviously you're going to see me take profits at those levels, and it becomes less of a price thing and more of a where is the market type of thing. If the market is at kind of all-time highs, where we see everything at all-time highs, and we're seeing a $5 trillion, $10 trillion market cap, absolutely. I have to take some of that profit because now you see the potential for a pullback. And if that pullback does happen, then you end up losing the entire value that's there. While I only took $4,000, I had $100,000 here. And if we see the bear market that hits before I decide to take my investment or before I decide to take some profit, well, now we lost out on that entire 100,000 that's there. So, or potentially 1 million that's there. But this is a way to get myself to becoming a Jasmy millionaire while still taking profit in another place because I have a 50x leverage over here in MargX. Now, do I recommend that you do 50x leverages? No, I recommend that you do 5 to 10x leverage if you do leverage trading at all. But if you're going to trade elsewhere, maybe you have a short-term portfolio, you can have it over in like Kraken or something, and then you can have a long-term portfolio in Coinbase or wherever you want to hold it. But the point is that you can have a short-term and long-term portfolio for yourself. So ultimately, that comes to the same question. Did I answer the question? When am I going to sell my Jasmy coin? I'm going to sell my MargX Jasmy coin as time goes on. So as we see a level of 3 cents or 4 cents, and it gets to a value of $1,000, yes, I'm going to take $250 out of that. So I add to that, and now it's $500 worth of profit, realized profit, or I haven't taken my initial investment yet, so it would be $500 worth of my initial investment. But then as it grows along, I'm going to take more and more from that MargX position, making this one a little bit more comfortable. So I would expect to maybe see a, start pulling profit at a value of 10 cents. That's where I see myself pulling profit. However, depending how much I make over here in Margex, it could be a lot less or a lot more, right? So we'll see. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Hopefully this answered your question, but I just wanted to make things maybe a little bit more simple for you. But just make sure that you are truly trading for the long term as well as the short term, because you want to protect your initial investments, you want to protect some of your profits, but you also don't want to miss out on the larger opportunities. And that's kind of where this all stems from. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.